easy look around in the camping site. Kukubara, he fly, but is back, I cut the bacon. Social dito mga bird, bacon. You want something to say?
Hello.
That's it.
That's it.
Why not coconut? This beautiful place. I like this place. Quiet. Plenty of caravan. It's a long weekend of October. It's yummy. Our breakfast, bacon and eggs, and bread. And
I know.
or dinner, beef steak. It's yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Marami na ba kang isda? Nagpi-fishing na lang kami para pambinta namin para makabili ng bigas. Ay! It's so big!
That's funny.
Yeah, I know. You happy?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good. Good boy. So, say hello. Hello, Hope. This
Hi.
is not... Hello, Hope.
Hello, Hope.
Oh, yeah.
Turn left on Mount Jockey Road.
Turn left.